Hello, and welcome to The Science Behind Superheroes. Today, I will be teaching you how to make a DNA model out of Play-Doh. DNA is the information found in each and every person. It's sort of like fingerprints. It shows your identity, and no one has the exact same DNA as you. DNA has pairs. A with T and G with C. This represents the DNA backbone. Now, I will show you the pairings. A with T. G with C. I have prepared 6 pairs. Once you've done that, attach them to the backbone. Once you've done that, all you have to do is twist the DNA. Welcome, scientists, to Medical Biochemistry Corporations.
Your fine work and interest in science has caught our eye.
Therefore, we invite you to apply your findings using our advanced technology to create real-life superheroes.
You will be provided with a DNA template,
an upgraded copy of that DNA with genes that code for different superpowers,
a table with different superpowers and their costs,
and a budget of €5,000.
Once you choose what powers you will be giving to your own superhero, you can cut out the upgraded gene and stick it onto the corresponding part of the DNA template.
Remember, the number of superpowers you choose cannot cost more than €5,000.
Can I give it a go?
Sure.
I want telepathy, which costs €2,000.
That comes from the brain and eye section. What color do you want your new gene to be?
I want the blue one in the beginning.
Once you've cut the piece of DNA that you want, place it onto your DNA template. And it should look something like this.
And once you have used up your €5,000 and added all your superpowers, you have one last step.
It's important to remember that, while research and experiments are very cool, accidents and imperfections can happen.
We created a weakness dice that shows what mistakes, if any, happened during this experiment.
Cut out the template of the dice and fold it like so.
Tape or glue the flaps on the inside. You should get a dice that looks like this.
Can I roll for a weakness?
Sure, give it a go.
It looks like I have color blindness.
That concludes our tutorial.
We are very excited to see what you will create.
The future of mankind
is in your hands.
Thank you, Medical Biochemistry Corporation. Now we'll be moving on to our final activity, which is Spiderman flying. We'll be looking at a type of attraction. This time, the attraction is magnetic. Some magnets can be very powerful. Some cranes use magnets to pick up huge objects, like cars. Some magnets are not so powerful and may be used just to stick things to the fridge. You should find that magnets do 3 things. They can attract each other, repel each other, and stick to other metals. The first thing we have to do is to print the template we have provided on our website. It will be linked at the end of the video. Once printed, cut out the template. The finished product should look something like this. You can also add a piece of cardboard to make it steadier. For the next step, we have to take a magnet and stick it at the back of the Spiderman. The next step is to grab a straw and cut 5 centimeters off of it to look something like this. Then we need to grab some tape to stick it to the back of the Spiderman. Then we need to cut a long piece of string and pass it through the straw. Just like this. Now we'll be taking the 2 ends of the string and attaching them to 2 elevated surfaces. In our case, we'll be using 2 water bottles. Now we need to take another magnet and use it to move Spiderman from one point to the other.
Thank you for watching.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Find our templates and more information in the link below.
And join us on the 24th and 25th live on stage for more information on superheroes in science.